All right, well, there are more questions than answers about Elon Musk's wish to take Tesla private. Musk has provided no details about how he intends to achieve this goal, particularly regarding funding. Tesla's board reportedly has not received a financing plan from Musk, leaving investors clamoring for more information. Let's bring in Nathan Bomey, business reporter, USA Today. Nathan, good morning.
Good morning.
It's great to have you here. And of course, we've been, reading your coverage of the Tesla buyout as we have been covering it here on our network. And I think what's fascinating here is the fact that he's going to need about, $70 billion to pull this off. We keep asking the question, who has the money, who is willing to take the risk to help do an LBO of Tesla?
Yeah, a leveraged buyout of this size is really unheard of. And so the question is, who is willing to step up and provide this kind of financing? Of course, there's the report that the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund is willing to put some money into Tesla already has acquired up to 5%. Would they be a source of funding? That's really unclear. There's a speculation about maybe money coming out of China. But I think that it's extremely unclear, and that's why Elon Musk is facing some pressure to say who is willing to actually make this happen.
Right, and let's talk about that, because there's been conflicting reports over the weekend. The Saudis have, about the Saudi investment funds, got about 3 to 5% of a holding in Tesla. But at the same time, would they be willing partners? And there's reports that say they're not interested. There was a report in Bloomberg yesterday saying that maybe they are willing to step into this. What do you think?
Well, we know that they want to diversify their economy in Saudi Arabia, so something like this would certainly help, put them a step farther away from oil. But I'm not sure that this would go over well in the United States. In fact, if the Saudis were to do this and to actually help Tesla go private, that could cause some political concerns in the U.S. since, of course, the U.S. government actually helped build Tesla by helping provide some funds years ago. So that's something to keep an eye on as well.
It's interesting, right? Let's talk about the NASDAQ. A lot of folks are asking this morning, where was the NASDAQ in all of this? I mean, the tweet went out during the trading session, which is, again, odd for a publicly traded company, 12:48 p.m., 80 minutes of trading. Stock gets a 16% premium on really what is a vague tweet. And now there's questions about, does the NASDAQ really have investors back when it comes to something like this? It could be, frankly, untrue.
Yeah, I think investors have serious concerns about how this actually unfolded, because the tweet coming out of nowhere and then the fact that trading continued there for a while until eventually they halted it, and then it revealed the official plan there. But Tesla published the email that Elon Musk had sent to employees. So that was a question. And of course, that's now attracted some shareholder lawsuits, not unexpected. I'm not so sure that this violated SEC rules, but the SEC is also taking a look at it.
Real quick before we let you go, yes or no, what is your sense here, 50-50, of analysts that are saying it's a good idea for them to go private versus those that say this is a bad idea?
Well, I think that, honestly, the general consensus is probably not the best idea for long-term growth, maybe in the short term. But the reality is, hey, he wants to get the short sellers off his back. And if that's his ultimate goal, perhaps he knows something the rest of us don't know.
Maybe he does. Nathan, it was great to have you on this morning. Please come back.
All right. Thank you. Will do.
All right.